Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error if Telegram cannot send messages. So let's get started right away. Let's open up the Telegram application first and try sending a message to anyone. However, if you receive an error saying that your message cannot be sent, then there are a few ways to get around this issue. First of all, check that your device is connected to the internet either through a Wi-Fi or data connection. If you're connected to either one of those, then make sure that your internet connection is stable enough. Open up any other application that uses the internet to function, and if this application is working just fine, then this means that your internet is not to blame. The second thing to try is to check for updates. Open up the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store and then search for Telegram. If you see an update button instead of open, then this means that you need to install the latest updates. Just tap on the update button and wait for the update to install. And then when you see the open button, you can tap on it and then try sending your messages once again. If it still doesn't work, then one final thing that you can try is to open up your phone settings and go into applications. From the apps menu, just search for Telegram, and when you find it, you can tap on it to open up the settings. From here, just tap on Force Stop to stop the application and then tap on Storage. From here, you can simply tap on Clear Cache and tap on Manage Storage to delete any user data. After doing so, you will need to log back into your account once again, but then you will be able to send messages through your Telegram application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix messages not sending problem on Telegram. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.